going for a Christmas. We are going for a Christmas shopping. So I'll be taking you on like shopping spree. Just yesterday we are going to explore town. We're going to so many places. And so let's go.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
So here we are in Kumerica. This is the Kwai roundabout, and the traffic is so hectic. And during this Christmas season, everybody is going to town, so you can imagine we had to be in the car for about, I can't really guess, but more than 2 hours. More than 2 hours, and you can see everywhere choked. So when we got to KJTR, we had to get down and then walk to the station where we had to buy a lot of items. And it seems this Christmas can't see the Christmas lights, the Christmas ornaments, and apart from the children who like those blings things, Jare, you see. And see that everybody is going about. The most important thing for people that I observed was food and clothing. After we bought the items in KJTR, we had to go to Asafo to buy some fish for ourselves, fish and chicken, and other meat that we get. I think I bought the meat in KJTR. So I had to go to Asafo. That's where we get it at a good price. So you can see that we are stuck in the traffic. This year, it appears like it's a COVID Christmas celebration that we are having. Even though people are saying they are not having money, but people are shopping. And if you are not careful, the thieves are also ready for you, guys. When we were going home, a guy with his school bag behind his back, the criminals or the thieves were behind him and like they were pushing him. So you just have to be careful and smart. And this Piccadilly biscuits, hey, it comes during Christmas time. When we were younger, we used to celebrate the Christmas season with it, even though I didn't like it that much. But what can I do? I had to eat it. So I really couldn't take pictures of the stuff that I was buying because like I was busy and I can't be snapping people's faces like that without the authorization. So we got home and here are the things that we bought. Now we are coming to pack them.
Ada. Tatru. What? Tatru. Come back to mana. Tatru.
Silence. It's fine. So what's now you see that? I'm going to say no more.
It's fantastic. Yeah, but I'm doing it. It's in there. Bye. Mincawa.
Hey,
Betul Mag. Naik
Manga.
Angga. Maginya deh, ongane. Maginya deh. Ini deh. Makanya dia divine, untuk kau gitu. Main kan? Iya sini. Kau mulai. Iya, ada sini mau sini.